Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2021 on a 21 plate Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI S tronic in Glacier White metallic paintwork. Now, this vehicle is an approved used car, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning Q2. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights and LED daytime running lights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these 18-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels, and they really complement the white of this Q2. Then looking down the side, we do also have the ice silver side blade. Looking in the rear, we do have 3 spacious rear seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, and they do fold 40-60. And then as you can see, there's plenty of space in there for taller rear passengers. Then coming round to the rear, we do have the LED rear lights and the LED rear indicators as well, ensuring you remain visible at all times. Then popping open the electrically operated tailgate with the push of a button on the key there. Once you get inside, you can see there's plenty of space in there for those golf clubs or for those suitcases for that weekend away. And once the rear seats are folded and the adjustable boot floor is lifted up, you can get a completely flat load bay, which is perfect for loading larger items if you're doing any DIY around your house. And as you can see, we do also have the rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Then coming down and looking inside, you can see there's plenty of high quality materials on display. So we do have this brushed aluminium trim, which looks really upmarket and suits the interior of the Q2 very nicely. And then these seats are these stunning pulse cloth and leather seats, and they are really comfortable, really supportive, especially with the fact that these seats have the electric lumbar support, which is perfect for those longer stretches of driving. So that completes our initial walk around of this 2021 Audi Q2. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q2 at some of the technology that's on offer in this stunning car. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is perfect for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are great on those frosty winter mornings. And we also have as well this S-Line 3-spoke leather trim multifunction steering wheel. It looks really great and also means all the important buttons are right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for the Audi virtual cockpit. Sat underneath that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, which is perfect for those longer stretches of driving. And the speed limiter means you shouldn't get any speeding tickets. Looking up to the right hand side, we've got our radio controls as well as our voice control there as well. And then sat behind that, we do have our virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen. And you can see things on there such as your vehicle settings, your radio stations, your telephone, and also your map screen. And you can also change the size of those all important dials, which means you can have that truly personalised feel, and it suits you down to a T. Looking over to the left from this virtual cockpit, we do have the central infotainment screen. And this is controlled via a swivel rail down near the gear stick. And we've got things on there such as our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your phone to things such as Spotify, and this also means it's very easy and you don't have to take your eyes off the road. We also have our map screen there, which as you can see is currently a satellite view, which is very easy when navigating. We've got our navigation. You can pre-save destinations such as your home address, so you're never far from home. We've got our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We also have our radio there. We've got plenty of digital audio broadcasting radio stations to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then looking at our car setting, if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you want to go for more of a dynamic drive, you do also have a dynamic mode. And in individual, you can also choose your gearbox and steering settings to make it feel perfect for you. Looking down from that, we also have our air conditioning in the front, which keeps you really nice and cool on a warm summer's day, especially as it is today. And you can also adjust exactly where the airflow is coming from, and it heats up and cools down nice and quickly. Underneath that, we've got our 12-volt socket and a USB socket, which is perfect for charging any accessories or mobile devices. Sat behind that, we do also have there our adjustable volume, our seek track, as well as turning the entire sound system off altogether, which is perfectly placed and very close to the passenger if they want to adjust that. We also have as well the S-Tronic gearbox controller here, so you can push it over into manual mode, and that means you can change the gears yourself. Or there is also a sport mode if you push the gear stick back once you are in drive, and this gives you that ultimate sporty driving feel. Behind that, we've got the control wheel here for that central infotainment screen. You can swivel it around. You've also got your key options there. So for example, if you want to quickly flick to the radio, that's very easy to do. Sat behind that, we've got our adjustable armrest there, which slides and also sets at different height positions there, which is perfect for finding that perfect position for you when you're driving. We've got plenty of storage space in here for your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view, alongside a second USB socket and also an auxiliary port there. Perfect once again for those mobile devices, especially in this modern world. So that completes our look today at this 2021 approved used Audi Q2. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used car, this does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.